What's up YouTube? Going to do a quick review of the Stinger Off-Road EchoMaster blind spot cameras integrated into the high 10 head unit on a Jeep Gladiator. Again, this is a quick tutorial, not a complete install video for this system. As you can see, a simple 1-bolt installation for the cameras on each side. This harness looks like a big mess, but it's actually very simple, and everything you need is right behind the high 10 head unit. You're going to want to look for this particular harness. It has 3 RCA inputs and 3 trigger wire for the cameras, all in one spot for easy plug and play install. Once installed, you need the cameras to speak with the high 10 head unit. To do this, you go to Settings, System Settings, the Installer Settings. You're then going to enter the installer settings password. Once you get to this screen, you're going to want to go to the advanced vehicle settings, camera settings. This is where you're going to program each camera into the head unit so it recognizes them. I'm going to enter camera 2 for my left, camera 3 for my right camera. And now my head unit will recognize left camera and right camera, which will be displayed in the camera settings. You can switch between left camera and right camera. Another cool feature is that while driving, the high 10 recognizes when you use your turn signal. When you go to turn, your right turn signal will turn the right camera on, your left turn signal will turn the left camera on. You can also go into the camera settings and have the cameras on while driving if needed. Hope you enjoyed this quick review of the EchoMaster blind spot camera system.